Welcome. In this video I will show you how to disable embedded controller on your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. First, you have to open the Armory Crate application by pressing the dedicated button right here. This will open the command center on your device, and on this command center you're gonna have to find the embedded controller option, and if you don't have it right here, so let's remove it, for example. Then you can add it by pressing the Y button, and then selecting add. Then find your, oh no, not here, but let's go back. Right here, tap add, and then select embedded controller, and then let's press B to apply changes. And now you can disable embedded controller by tapping right here. And now you will not be able to control your device using your controllers. To enable it, just tap on this option again. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.